Hi friends, welcome back to our channel YahiTech English. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add labels to our Kivy project or Kivy app and how to add some more attributes to it, blah blah blah. So first of all, I'm going to clear all your doubts that maybe some of them be having doubts like this is an Tamil channel, why are you speaking in English? The reason behind this is that I have renamed my channel name to YahiTech English, and from now onwards the videos which will be uploaded in this channel will always be in the language English. So I hope you know English, so come on, let's get into the video. So first of all, today we are going to see how to add labels to our project, I mean Kivy project or app. So for that you need some classes or some modules to be imported. First of all, let's open our code editor. So I'm checking that if it's recording. So let's go to the code editor. So I'm using VS Code. You can use your best one, and I think you know about this code we have which we have written in our previous video. So in this I have explained this code to you in my last video. So if you did not see that video, just click the link in the description and you will be right there, so that you can watch my video and understand the concept of Kivy. So now today we are going to add just a label, and we are going to be seeing how a label works. So first of all, what is label? Why do we need label? Label is that which instructs users or give instructions or guides user with that application. So for example, if you're creating a text field and simply adding a submit button, just 2 widgets in your app, and giving it to a user, he will ask, what to do, man, what to do with this? This is why, because he don't have correct instructions. If you add a label in that, type your name, then he will be instructed in a correct way and he will type his name in the text field. So I hope you understand this concept. Now let's create a label. So first of all, I'm going to erase this self.button widget, and let's create self.label, which is a label variable, and in that we are going to add a label class. So I think you know how to import label class and some more modules in my last video. I think I have explained you. Hope you do it well. And now let's copy this piece of code, this line of code, and just paste it here. What the change is here is we are going to make it label instead of button, and now let's give it a capital L and label. So that's all, we have successfully imported the label class. Now let's add that label, assign that label to this variable label. Instead we are going to be giving text attribute as same as button. So I think you understand it. Text is equal to, let's give it a name, something, welcome to YahiTech YahiTech English. It takes a couple of days to remember that I have renamed my channel name, so sorry for that. Now let's add this self.label to our let's add this widget to our screen. So just we have to change here is label, that's all, nothing more. So this will be a short video, I think. I think the shortest tutorial I have uploaded in this channel, right? Okay, if you have any opinions about this, please comment me in the comment section below. So now let's rename it label. Yeah, successfully done. So now we are running our code and we'll see how it works. We'll just run our code. It takes a couple of minutes because my computer is of low specs, so it's recording perfectly, right? All right, so whoa. I think you understand this line of codes, and if you don't understand, please visit the Kivy documentation. I think you know how to visit it. If you don't know, nothing to do, just click the link in the description box and you will be taken to what you have to do. So now our label is being displayed in our app. So wow, it's nice, pretty good. So you can see the test class name has been there correctly. Perfect, it's perfect. The same text which we passed into the text attribute is perfectly here. So now let's play a little bit more with this. So now I'm going to close this, and now this label class also has a attribute called font size. So in this we can define the font size. Here we have to define just only numbers but not px in the sense pixels. So don't want px and all, because in this Kivy we are gonna be using only numbers, so it's just different from other languages. It has also its own language called Kivy design language. We'll be getting to know about this in later tutorials. So now let's run it. It should be little big now. Yeah, perfect, it's big. I think you can notice that the difference between the two programs which we run now. So it's good, pretty good. So I think you have learned about this label class. So in next tutorial we'll learn more about this Kivy, and wait for next tutorials. I will be uploading in a short period of time. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any opinion about this video, please comment me in the comment section below. And one more thing, if I did any mistakes in talking English or anything bad in teaching, anything I did in teaching, you can comment me below. So thank you for watching this video. I'll be with you in another video. So let us meet in next video. Bye friends, bye. Thank you for watching, taking a look at my channel. Bye friends, bye.